Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install latest version of Python. So currently Python 3.13 is available. So let's get started. For this, you will require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Python download and press enter. You'll get the first link download Python, python.org. Click on the first link. Over here, you can see download Python 3.13 link is available. You can also click over here downloads and you can see the download button to download the Python for Windows. If you want to download Python previous version, you can click over here. Okay, you can scroll down and look for the different installers, okay, with the pre-release versions. So I'll go back as we need to download Python the latest version. So download Python 3.13, click on this link. You can also download Python for Linux as well as Mac. Okay, so you can see download set our Python setup file has got downloaded. I'll click on open button. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. Now over here you need to make sure you check this two checkbox. First, you need to provide it use admin privileges while installing py.exe because it requires admin access to install, and second is to add python.exe to path. Once you check this, you don't need to manually go and add those Python path. Okay, so now click on install now. This will start installation of Python on your Windows. So this is a 64-bit version. This may take few seconds to get installed. You'll get a pop-up. Select yes. Now click on close. Okay. Now how to use the Python and how to check if the Python is installed correctly or not. For that you need to click on Windows button. Over here in search type cmd. Okay. Click open. Over here you can type Python hyphen Python space hyphen version. Okay, and press enter. Over here you can see Python 3.13 version is installed. Now to start Python on CLI, you can type Python and press enter. Okay, so Python interpreter has started. I'll type print statement to just print an output. Okay, and I'll press enter. So see, you can also execute your Python code in CLI. So I've just printed the Rishi Labs. Okay, so I'll close this. Now other way you can access is like you can click on Windows Start. Over here you can click on Windows Start. Other way you can access Python is by clicking on the Windows Start button. Click on all apps, scroll down in this, look for Python 3.13 folder, expand it. Over here you can see it has provided, once you have installed this Python 3.13, you have got Python CLI command line interface, then Python IDLE. Okay, Python CLI, if you double click this, it's the same command screen, but over here you don't need to type Python, you can straight away start writing your code. Okay, for example, I'll type the help command and press enter. I'll type exit. Okay, once again I'll go on the Windows screen, all apps, go to directory Python. Over here there is a IDLE. I'll click on it. So it is a Python shell. In this you can type your code. I'll type sample code. hello and press enter. See, it has printed hello world. I'll click on the file and click on save. I'll save this on the desktop. Dummy. Okay, I'll give it a name as a dummy, and again it will be saved as a Python file. Click on save. See, a Python file has got created. You can also open this Python file. File, open, and you can look for this dummy file. Select open. So Python file has got opened, and you can re-execute that code. So I'll close this. This is the Python file which we have saved. Okay, and Python file has the extension. I'll click on properties.py. So that's how you can install the latest version of Python. We have installed Python 3.13 on Windows. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs for more content. Thanks for watching.